I have so easy. At the end of all,
I don't know. Yeah, it depends.
How easy. I would rather see me because who's here is the main reason why you are here. Is that true?
Yes, it's true.
What is the reason why you came here?
Always, if I learn, I don't get the understanding to learn.
You had a dream 3-4 days ago. You were talking with some people. It's like when you wake up, you couldn't recognize exactly what was going on.
It's true.
It's true. I want to pray for your husband. He comes home, he's complaining. They don't pay me. They don't pay me.
Yes.
I saw you talking to him 3 days ago. He said they don't pay me. They don't pay me. Is that true? Is that true? Don't cry. Which university? Why?
University of Ghana.
University of Ghana. So should I take your name there? Before the call. Receive rose flower. Receive rose flower. What is your name?
Rose.
Rose. Recently, I was so there when I was to say, come on now. Who would you?
And one me room tutu or one as or cran.
Yes. Eli. You Eli?
Yes.
You Eli?
Yes.
And the name I mentioned, like, is it a town, Jamasi or?
Yeah, Jamasi is my name. Jamasi Ekplim.
Jamasi is your name.
Yes.
You are Jamasi. Now, one third born. Where are they? Where are third born? And Chebia. I happened now, happened. No one like it was a baby girl.
Mikuna Sunday and I'll catch her.
Also, I say,
Was so a Sunday and as a work share will pay for be to a pin for a catcher and say, one day Aqualan and Brandy. It was so pure and I was so pure and run or catch her.
Opiona, my pure.
And I also wore
And I be pure.